Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix class not registered error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select apps. On right side select installed apps. Find photos VHO. Click on the three dot icon next to photos and select advanced options. Scroll down, select the repair option, select the reset option. After getting done, you just need to go back, find media player, click on the three dot icon next to media player and select advanced options. Scroll down, select the repair option, select the reset option. After getting done, close here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. After finishing this command, you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this run command. Just copy and paste it and click on OK. You just need to expand the combo services and expand computers and expand my computers. Now you just need to select dcomcnfg. If you get any pop-up, then you just need to select yes, and after getting these appears, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After getting both commands completed successfully, you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.